day to you out there. My name is Lois Owoicho Ame, and I'm the visionary of the Vintage Vessels International. Our core values in Vintage Vessels International is love, empathy, kindness, resilience. We're here in what we tag Love in Action. This is an outreach aimed at feeding the less privileged, especially children, with one meal in a month. And that meal, by God's grace, we hope to make it more frequent. We're here in an IDP camp, and we want to just be a blessing to them. In this particular outreach, we are collaborating with the Sheyi Oshi Konlu Ministries to be a blessing to the people around. We are in the center of Abuja, and we hope that you will be part of this. God bless you.
Mary yawa.
Ina son sani kamar shekara na da kuna zama
Muna nan mun kai 10 years.
shekara 10 so me ya kawo kuna, me yasa kuka tafi ta nan?
Abin da ya sa mun zo nan shine a kauyukanmu da muna zama mun kai gona Fulani su zo su shiga su kore ku, mun kai magana a kashe ka a cinye amfanin gonan. To a wurin kuma ba mu da salama su da mu sakewa shi ne muka zo nan muna manage rayuwar mu mun kaɗan kaɗan.
Kuna da wani sana'a ne da kuke yi a nan?
Mu yawancin mu ba mu da aiki kuma ba mu da wani sana'a da muke yi.
Daga ina ne kuka zo?
Muna da Bauchi, muna da Kaduna, muna da Jos, dukan mu a nan. Kuma Jos haka rikici ya kawo su shine muna nan tare da su. Kaduna ma haka rikici Fulani sun hana su sakewa shine muka zo, duka muna zama da su a nan.
To, kin san ita anti Sheyi kafin ta koma kasan waje?
Na san ta.
To me take dama muku a nan?
Tana taimake mu da abubuwa kala-kala. Za ta iya kawo mana abinci da suturan jiki da sauransu. Gaskiya tana taimakon mu sosai.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tony Francis. So delighted to be here, and I'm privileged to be the chef of this program tagged Love in Action. Want to thank God for giving us the grace. Yesterday we prepared to cook the food up till this morning. We slept around 2 a.m. in the night and woke up at 5. By 7 o'clock this morning, everything was ready. Now we're here. Want to thank Sheyi Oshi Konlu and Vintage Vessels for giving us the opportunity to be here. Looking forward to doing more of this again and again. Thank you so very much.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening and good morning. It all depends on where you are. My name is Sheyi Oshi Konlu and I am the founder of Sheyi Oshi Konlu Ministries. Our ministry was established to do three main things. Number one, encourage people to get into a deeper intimacy with God. Teach people that they must know God for themselves. And number three, to manifest His love. How do we manifest His love? We currently do monthly feeding and care programs to children in the north of Nigeria. We take food to their communities and feed them properly. Now we are also clothing these people. In this video, you will see what your giving has done. You will see the joy on their faces as they receive the love of God. Thank you for being a part of what God is doing. You are blessed. For more information, please go to www.seyi.org. That is SEYIOSHIKANLU.org, and be a part of what the Lord is doing. Thank you for your time.